Hey guys, it's Vance. Just doing a presentation on legibility and readability. So let's get into it. Okay, so what is legibility? Legibility is the quality of being clear enough to read. So here's some examples. Here's some bad examples, like autographs, like professional autographs by a lot of athletes are they're not legible. Like you can't read these. Like the only thing I can really read from this baseball is the number 22. Um, yeah. And then also from the Declaration of Independence, other than like John Hancock and a select few others, you can't really read anybody else's signature. Um, I mean, back then, obviously, cursive was a lot more common and stuff, but still, I feel like this would be a good example of a bad example. A good example of legibility would be fast food signs. So like this Denny's, I can obviously read that it says Denny's. Like there's no way I'm missing that. Also Dairy Queen and McDonald's are just very, very bold, very clear. Like you know exactly what's on that sign. So now readability. Readability is the quality of being easy or enjoyable to read. So some good and bad examples are just these three right here. So as you read this on the left side, like it's okay, but once you bold it out, it's actually a lot clearer, and I would rather read the bold one other than this one. This bottom left over here about the quick brown fox, obviously on the left, you can still read it. It's just your eye is trying to concentrate too hard on what some of these letters are. So if we use a different font right here, it's way easier to read and you'd actually enjoy reading something like this. And on this bottom right, it's very pixelated on the first one. Then once we just clear it up a little bit, you actually enjoy uh, probably reading something like this. It just makes it easier on the eye. That way the audience doesn't have to concentrate too hard. They can enjoy that. But yep, that's about it. Thank you.